Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into monday.com for AI task scheduling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.monday.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will now be directed to the login screen. If you have an existing account, enter your registered email address. Next, type in your password in the designated field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your monday.com workspace. Here, you can create or manage your tasks, including scheduling with AI features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. To start scheduling tasks using AI, navigate to the relevant board. Look for the automation or AI scheduling options available in your plan. Select the desired AI scheduling feature and follow the on-screen instructions. Customize your task preferences as needed to optimize your workflow. Review and confirm your scheduled tasks to ensure they align with your goals. Now you're ready to utilize monday.com for AI task scheduling effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.